Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find passwords and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock, and before we will be able to actually add the fingerprint, we have to set the screen lock. If you've got one currently applied, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. Without it, you will not be able to add the fingerprint, and it is basically for the security, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So just set it. Okay, that's the information I just told you. So tap on got it, and let me set the pattern, draw it, and confirm. Okay, we've got it. So basically, if you've got any kind of third-party screen protector, it may affect the fingerprint sensor because it is under the screen. So all we have to do right now is to put our finger on the sensor, and let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of it for better recognition. And as you can see, I've got a foil, and it is a little bit harder to add the fingerprint. All right. If you want to add face data, just tap on add. I do want to do it. Let's tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. You can rename it or remove it here. You can add the fingerprint. You can also decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. The lock screen is a default option. There we've got also the fingerprint animation, so you can change it. You can choose something from those options. Just tap on it and decide whether you like the effect and go back. You can decide whether you want to vibrate while unlocking, a low light fingerprint unlock, and show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Everything is really up to you. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So there we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.